Ready?
Can you come see Dad?
Go see Dad.
Oh dear.
Try again. Let's try again. Whee! What do we do with Jelly Girl?
What are you doing
This
now?
is not your best performance. Okay, you're on your own.
Can you come see Dad?
Go see Dad.
Oops. Oh, it's too.
That was better.
That was good, Mouse.
Yeah. Can you go see Dad? Whoops, up we go. Let's go see Dad.
Gotta let go of that thumb.
Okay, go see Dad. Are you silly?
Oops.
There we go.
Oh, do you want to come get your water
Go
bottle?
get your water bottle. Go get your water bottle.
Who's a big girl? Who's a big girl?
There we
Oh, we go. Oh, good job.
Yay.
Good job, little mouse. Hi. There, that's your finger. Hi, mouse.